Hey everybody, well, hey, we're gonna do a really good thing like I told you in the other video. We're gonna go out yonder and we're gonna work on the car. We're gonna get that holster put in there. So, hopefully you guys will hang around. We'll get to see that. So I'll see you in a few when we get down in the car, get down and dirty. Come on, let's go. See you there. Okay, YouTube, I'm back. I'm going to be moving the camera around, but we're out at the car, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the camera put in position, and then we'll start doing the holster part, moving the camera as we speak, so you guys kind of see what's going on. We're in the car. I'm going to try to get it down towards the console. Hopefully that's in position. It's dark in there, so I'm gonna use my newfangled light to kind of illuminate things. Hopefully that will work. I'll be back. Okay, I'm on the other side of the car. Hopefully this works. Let me get in here. I don't ride this side. Anyway, I have the pistol right here. I'm just guessing where the camera is, so bear with me. What I did, let me take this off. These are, you heard that, the strips I put on the gun. And what I'm going to do is mount it right here on the console, and then I'm going to let it dry and we're going to see if it works from there. So hold on while I get everything back in position. Put these strips on, and I'm going to put them on at an angle so that they can be mounted in the car the same way. I got these strips at a store here called the Hobby Lobby, and actually they are supposed to be good for up to 10 pounds. Now my pistol doesn't weigh anywhere near 10 pounds, so I'm hoping that they work. Okay, hold on. Now, see, I put them on the pistol like that. They have adhesive backs on them. So I'm going to pull the adhesive backs off so you can see. Come on. Like that. Now you can see that they just have the strips on there. So what I'm going to do is, I don't trust those darn strips, so what I'm going to do is I have some 8 glue here. It's like super glue, only supposed to be better. I prefer it over super glue. And I'm just going to dab some onto the strips just to make sure they're extra strong. Like that. I'm not sure you can see it, but I'm telling you while we go. Like that. I got like 3 of them on there. And then, now that I've got those on there, I am gonna I'm gonna try to position it how I want it on the car, and then I'm gonna pull that gun off so that I can see. So I want it something like that so I can still get to the gun while I'm driving. I'm going to put them on there just like that. You see what I'm doing? I hopefully can, because I can't go back and redo the video because it's a one-time shot. So I'm trying to get it glued in place. To get it to hold in place while it's drying, I brought some tape out with me, and I'm going to put that across the holster to hold it in place. hopefully this is all going to work out. Okay, you see I've got the tape. I'm going to just add it across the holster to hold it in place. Like that. Something like that right there. Just like that. Now, that should wait until it dries. And then we're gonna see if it'll come off and stay where I want it. This is the big test right here. I'm gonna put the pistol in there too, so you can see sort of what I want there. See what I want out of it? Something like that there. So while I'm driving, I can still reach down and grab the gun in a situation that requires that. So that looks like it's in the right spot. Okay, so get that tape to stay there. Yeah, I'm gonna need some more tape. To hold the tape. Tape to hold the tape. So we'll do it like this. Perfect. Another piece on the other side. I'd rather do it like this and make sure that it stays on there than to take the chance of it not working. And it's kind of awkward from the back here, like this. There we go. Just like that, sort of. Yeah, that should work. And that's all going to hold that holster in place while the glue and the adhesive sets up real good. So, that's what I've got for now. And we'll be back in a few when it's all dried. Okay, everybody, I'm back. I took the tape off and everything, and that adhesive that they put on the damn Velcro, it is a piece of crap. It did not hold for nothing. So, it's going to hold some, I suppose. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do something I really didn't want to do, but we're going to do it anyway. I'm going to screw some self-tapping screws into each end of it, and that will hold it in place even when the gun's on there, and that would be sort of like a safety net. So I got the drill gun right here, and I got some screws. We're just going to go ahead and put them in there. So hold on. There's one. Hold on. There's the two. This should hold them in place, so I won't have to worry about the dang holster anyway. I see I got that tape up there trying to hold everything together, but this will be a lot better, I think. I'm going to have to move that tape so I can get that other one in. Here we go. Then that, I put some more glue on it too, so that would make sure everything's going to stay together. Like that. And hold on, I'm gonna reach across here to the glove compartment and get the holster out. Now this should work just fine. I should be able to put it wherever I need it. And snap everything in place. down there. Hey, hold on. Should be able just to snap it. There. There. Everything's in place. There we go. Now we know it's not going to go anyplace. And it looks pretty good. So it's snapped in place. I just pulled it loose. There. Yeah, the gun will fit right in there. And I don't have it with me, darn it. So you're just going to have to take my word for it. Anyway, that's the holster for the truck, the Jeep. And hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something. Learned something that the adhesive strips they give you to put stuff on and hold 10 pounds. So you can see the 10-pound, it might hold 10 pounds on the Velcro, but the adhesive on the back doesn't hold crap. So I put extra glue on it and I put screws in there, and now it's going to work just fine. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. God bless you, God bless me, and God bless the US of A. It's been an ordeal, but we got her done. Talk to you next time.